morning, and thank you for joining us for today's Market Outlook. Joining me today is Emily from our trading room to tell us more about the recent developments. Emily?
Risk-sensitive currencies, including the Australian dollar, rose, while safe havens like the Japanese yen dipped against the US currency, as risk sentiment was boosted by signs the US federal government is closer to reopening. Gold prices climbed nearly 3% to hit a more than 2-week high, as soft economic data out of the United States reinforced expectations that the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates, lifting demand for the non-yielding asset. Wall Street ended sharply higher, led by big gains in Nvidia, Palantir, and other heavyweight AI-related companies following progress in Washington to end a record government shutdown. The shutdown is expected to end this week.
The dollar-yen pair edged higher in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair edged lower in the last session. The ROC is giving a negative signal. Gold prices saw moderate gains in the last session. The Williams indicator is in overbought territory. Crude oil prices edged higher in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal.
Investors should take note of the economic calendar over the next few days, as it brings forth a variety of high-impact and medium-importance events. These data releases may cause significant market shifts, impacting trading strategies and investor sentiment. Understanding these updates helps frame the broader market context. Reacting appropriately to economic shifts can be the difference between seizing opportunity and facing challenges.
We hope that you've enjoyed our Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day.